One talks about how hard it is to pass a class when your teacher is super cool but sucks at teaching. Because I had a teacher like this, and I remember the day before our final exams, we were supposed to spend the whole class asking her questions we had so we would be prepared for the test. But instead, she just spent the whole class telling us the story about how her husband died in a skydiving accident. Very sorry for your loss, but dog, I'm going to fail history if you don't get it together. Luckily, I ended up passing the class, but I know a bunch of kids who didn't. The worst part was that one time after the whole class did bad on a test, she asked us why we all did so bad, and the whole class basically just started roasting her, saying that it was her fault. It was literally like an intervention. Like, she almost started crying, and I felt bad, but she needed to hear it. Miss Rivero, if you're watching this, I love you, but please lock in.